Hello friends, today I am going to share you some information regarding money plant. Some people have complained regarding their money plant that their money plant is not growing well. So I am sharing you some information regarding money plant. There are some three things which you have to keep in your mind while you are growing money plant. First one is your soil media. Which soil media you are using, that is an important thing. Then second one, how much water you give your plant. And then third one is a container in which you are growing your money plant. First one is a soil media in which you grow your money plant. I have taken one part of cocoa, one part of garden soil, half part perlite and half compost. You can use vermicompost also. Then you can see this plant, grow of this plant. I have just propagated before 2 months, and you can see the grow of money plant. Then second one is watering. If you are going to give a daily basis water, then you are wrong. Whenever you are going to give water, you just have to check that your soil media is dried or not. You can see this media is totally dry. Now you have to give water. If it is wet like this, you can see, then just don't give water. And third one is a container in which you grow a money plant. Use clay pot, don't use a plastic pot. If you have used a clay pot, then if you have given excess amount of water, then it can absorb it. If you have used plastic pot, then it will never absorb excess amount of water. I have taken one cut from this mother plant, and I have propagated this cut in this cocoa peat media, and you can see the result of this money plant. You can see how much root comes out, and it's before just 15 days I have propagated. Keep these three tips in your mind and grow your money plant at your home.